Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mix Flip, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to tap on About Phone, which is at the top of the list. Now we have to scroll down and enter detailed info and specs. Here, scroll down again to enter the status. So as you can see, this model number, the serial number is really hidden, and all we have to do here is to enter the model. So let's tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.